Turn off air conditioner.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the plug.
Okay.
Alexa, close the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the switch.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on air conditioner.
Okay.
Alexa, set air conditioner to 20.
Air conditioner is set to 20.
Alexa, set air conditioner to auto.
It's set to auto.
Open the curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, close the curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, set the curtain to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, open the light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
Alexa, set the fan to auto mode.
Okay.
Alexa, set the fan to sleep.
Okay.